watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Welcome back. If you're looking to bring a little vintage charm into your home this summer, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring how to mix soft summer warmth with classic farmhouse details that feel both nostalgic and fresh. Whether you live in the countryside or just love the cozy aesthetic, these timeless touches can brighten your space without feeling trendy or overdone. Wicker furniture with soft linen cushions. Wicker chairs or a bench with neutral or striped linen cushions create a breezy, timeless summer look, perfect for a sunroom or front porch. Antique wooden crates as storage or display. Stacked or used individually, old wooden crates add rustic charm while serving as unique shelves or plant stands. Vintage glass bottles with wildflowers. Arrange clear or tinted glass bottles on a windowsill or mantel and fill them with freshly picked wildflowers or dried stems. Soft floral print curtains. Replace heavy drapes with light cotton curtains in small floral or faded gingham prints for a light, breezy feel. Distressed whitewashed furniture. A small side table, hutch, or coffee table in a distressed white finish adds that worn-in farmhouse charm. Ironstone pitchers as vases. Classic white pitchers make lovely vases for summer blooms and blend beautifully with vintage decor. Lace or crochet table runners. Use old-fashioned lace or handmade style runners on your dining table or buffet to add texture and a vintage touch. Galvanized metal accents. Buckets, trays, or candle holders in galvanized metal offer a classic farmhouse look with a hint of rustic industrial charm. Old window frames as wall decor. Hang or lean a repurposed window frame on the wall. No glass needed. It adds instant architectural interest. Framed botanical prints. Choose vintage-style floral or herb illustrations in wooden or distressed frames to bring nature indoors. Neutral quilts and throw blankets. Layer lightweight quilts in neutral tones or faded floral patterns on a chair, bed, or sofa for softness and comfort. Vintage fan or typewriter as accent pieces. Add interest to a console or side table with one or two vintage items like an old fan, typewriter, or rotary phone. Wire baskets for open storage. Great for holding summer linens, rolled towels, or fresh produce, while keeping that open, airy farmhouse feel. Classic wall clocks or mirrors with patina. Choose items with aged finishes, wooden frames, or iron details to bring old-world charm to your walls. Enamelware bowls and mugs for everyday use. Display white or colored enamelware on open shelves or use them daily to bring practical vintage charm into your kitchen. That wraps up today's look at vintage farmhouse decor for the warm season. Whether you bring in just a few simple touches or go all in with vintage finds, these ideas can make your home feel comfortable, lived in, and full of character. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more farmhouse decorating inspiration. See you next time.